Eating butter every day can have various effects on your body, both positive and negative, depending on factors like quantity, individual health, lifestyle, and overall diet. Here's an overview of what happens in your body when you consume butter regularly. Caloric intake and weight management. Butter is calorie-dense and high in fat. Consuming it daily in large quantities can lead to an increase in daily caloric intake, potentially contributing to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. Fat consumption. Butter is primarily composed of saturated fats. Consuming too much saturated fat can raise LDL cholesterol levels, which may increase the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. Nutrient intake. Butter contains essential vitamins A, D, E, and K, and fat-soluble nutrients. Regular consumption can contribute to meeting your daily nutrient needs. Digestive health. Some individuals may experience digestive issues or discomfort, especially if they are lactose intolerant or have difficulty digesting dairy. Cholesterol levels. Due to its high saturated fat content, consuming butter regularly can elevate LDL cholesterol levels in the blood, potentially increasing the risk of heart disease. Inflammation. Excessive consumption of saturated fats, as found in butter, may contribute to inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic health conditions. Metabolic effects. Butter can affect your metabolism due to its fat content. Consuming it in moderation may not significantly impact metabolism, but excessive consumption could potentially affect how your body processes fats and other nutrients. Brain health. Butter contains fats important for brain function and development. However, excessive consumption can lead to an unhealthy balance of fats and may not be beneficial for brain health. Blood sugar levels. While butter does not contain carbohydrates and won't directly affect blood sugar levels, the overall impact on blood sugar can depend on what it's consumed with and the overall composition of your diet. It's important to emphasize moderation and balance in your diet. Consuming butter in moderation as part of a well-rounded, varied diet and active lifestyle may not have adverse effects for most people. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice based on your individual health situation and dietary preferences.